2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, power door locks, side airbag, clock, power windows, CD player, Bedliner, intermittent wipers, tachometer, daytime running lights, power mirrors, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, power outlets. Your new ride is just a phone call away.